Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy chicken easy method. Start by seasoning chicken with salt and pepper and sear in a hot skillet until golden brown on both sides. Add chopped onions and garlic, deglaze with 1 cup broth, then stir in 1/2 cup cream and a touch of mustard while simmering until thick. Finish with fresh herbs and rest 5 minutes before serving. Gather bone-in chicken, 1 cup broth, 1/2 cup cream, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon oil, onions, garlic, mustard, and parsley. Use bone-in thighs for deeper flavor and an easy gravy base. Sauté onions until translucent, brown chicken well for fond, then deglaze with broth. Simmer with cream until the sauce thickens, taste for salt, and finish with parsley for brightness before serving. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. On another note, automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice. I use it after messy cooking days, and it makes the car smell fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals, then hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a skillet over medium-high and add oil and butter together, then sear seasoned chicken skin side down until golden, about 6 minutes per side. Remove chicken and sauté onions, add garlic briefly, then pour in 1 cup broth to deglaze while scraping brown bits. Return chicken, stir in 1/2 cup cream and simmer until the gravy coats a spoon. Rest the chicken briefly before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.